Tired of typing the same real estate responses over and over? Let's unlock the secret to supercharging your client communication with Kvacore's canned text responses. First, log into your Kvcore account and navigate to the Marketing Autopilot section on the left-hand side of your dashboard. Next, select Smart Campaigns from the Marketing Autopilot menu. This is where the magic happens. Now, find and click on the Templates tab at the top of the Smart Campaigns page. This is your library of pre-written goodness. Make sure the Text Templates option is selected, then click the Add Template button to create your very first canned response. Here, give your template a descriptive name so you can easily find it later. Choose a category to organize your templates now. Craft your perfect text message in the message body field. Make it engaging, professional, and tailored to common inquiries. Product use merge tags like. Once you're happy with your message, scroll down and click Save. Now, when you're communicating with a lead, simply click the text message icon from their profile. In the text message window, click on the Templates drop-down menu, select the canned response you just created, and watch it instantly populate the text box. Review the message, make any necessary tweaks, and hit send. Boom. You've just saved time and delivered a consistent, professional message. Start creating your canned responses today and transform your client communication.